Students, good morning. Today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is phases of reproduction. Once again, today we are starting again class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system, and today's topic is phases of reproduction. Students, today topic is last of topic of chapter 2nd human system. So topic is phases of reproduction. First is reproduction. It means parent to participate and produce offspring or progeny, which phenomena is called reproduction. Next, mostly four phases of human reproduction. Mostly four phases of human reproduction. They are following. First is gametogenesis. Second is fertilization. Third is cleavage and embryo implantation. And fourth is delivery. They are phases of human reproduction. First is gametogenesis, last in delivery. First is gametogenesis. It is a first phase of human reproduction. Once again, it is a first phase of human reproduction. Next, definition of gametogenesis is, first word is gamete, next is genesis. Students, they are Latin or Greek word. It means gamete, it means to formation. So formation of gamete. Next is definition is, definition of gametogenesis is formation of mature haploid gamete, which process is called gametogenesis. Definition of gametogenesis. Once again, formation of mature haploid gamete, which process is called gametogenesis. Second is type. Gametogenesis types or kinds, mostly two. First is spermatogenesis. Second is oogenesis. It means sperm. It means two formation. So formation of sperm is called spermatogenesis. It means ovum. Genesis, it means two formation. So formation of ovum is called oogenesis. Next is specific definition of spermatogenesis. Once again, gametogenesis. Next part is type. First is spermatogenesis. Next is oogenesis. Students, it is completed in male human. It is completed in female human. It completed in testis part. It completed in ovary part. Formation of mature haploid once again, formation of mature haploid sperm in testis part of male human, which is called spermatogenesis. Next, oogenesis. Definition is formation of mature haploid ovum or egg in ovary part of female human, which is called oogenesis. Once again, spermatogenesis complete in male human, oogenesis complete in female human. Spermatogenesis is complete in primary reproductive organ testis part. It complete ovary part. In this process, formation of sperm. In this process, formation of ovum. Next is fertilization. First, students, it is a second phase. It is a second phase of human reproduction. Next, first is male human. Next is female human. Male human primary reproductive organ testis. Female human primary reproductive organs ovary. In testis part, complete spermatogenesis and forms sperm. It is haploid structures in ovary part, complete in oogenesis and forms ovum. It is haploid structure. It is female gamete. it is also known male gamete. Then in favorable condition, male and female gamete proper fused and forms a single diploid cell zygote, which process is called fertilization. Once again, fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. First is definition of fertilization. Next, during fertilization or after fertilization, formation of single diploid cell, formation of single diploid cell zygote. Next process is cleavage and embryo implantation. First is cleavage. Students, in previous phase, formation of zygote. So zygote to show mitosis division and forms a specific structure is called blastula. Once again, zygote to show mitosis division and forms a specific structure is called blastula. Next is blastula establish in endometrium part of uterus. Once again, blastula establish in endometrium part of uterus, which is called embryo implantation. Students, uterus, it is a secondary reproductive organ, mainly three parts: endometrium, myometrium and perimeterium. Three parts, three parts. Innermost part is endometrium, middle part is myometrium and outermost is perimeterium, and this is blastula. This process is called embryo implantation. This is blastula established in endometrium is called embryo implantation. Next is delivery. First is, it is a last phase of human reproduction. Next is definition of delivery is the process of birth of a child is called delivery. It is also known parturition. Once again, the process of birth of child is called delivery, is called parturition. So, students, today's topic is completed and class 10th science book chapter 2nd human system will be completed. And so, thanks and have a nice day, students. In next online classes we start next new chapter, biodiversity and its conservation. This chapter number is 19. So again, thanks, have a nice day.